Dominique, I mean, this has been a nightmare for so many school districts all across the greater Houston area. For students to return to the classroom in those schools on Monday, March 1st. Back at Tomball Memorial High, where the damage was so extensive, school right here behind me, one of at least 6 schools in Tomball ISD that sustained some kind of damage. Quite a few moving parts in terms of the cleanup that's taking place here, which entailed getting rid of a lot of water.